Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson. So please, what can you do when you see such question like this? 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4 equal. Therefore, answer is not 48 because that's what most people get. But this answer is not correct. The answer is not 48. We're not going to say 4 times 4 minus 4, then we multiply it. So that is not the answer exactly. So what we're going to do here is to apply the rule PEMDAS or BODMAS. So let's see solution. So please, if this is the first time you're crossing this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So we have your solution ready. So what we're going to do here is to apply the rule PEMDAS. P, E, M, D, A, S. So we have here P stand for X, for bracket, I mean. Therefore, we have E stand for exponent. You can simply write it like this. We have M stand for multiplication. Therefore, we have D stand for division. We have A stand for addition. S stand for subtraction. So this is PEMDAS. So here what we're going to do next here is to apply this rule. So let's write what we have up there. We have 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4. So let's follow this rule. Do we have bracket? We don't have bracket. Do we have exponent? We don't have exponent. Do we have multiplication? Yes. Do we have addition? No. Do we have division? No. Do we have addition? No. Do we have subtraction? Yes. But what came first here between multiplication and subtraction? It is multiplication that is first, then followed by subtraction. So now we're going to deal with this only. So we have here 4 times 4, let's say equal. 4 times 4, 16, right? Therefore, we put minus as it is because of this rule. So we have 4 times 4 again, which is 16, right? Therefore, we have 16 minus 16, 0. And this is the answer we get when we use the rule PEMDAS. So this is the final answer. And I hope you get the answer correct. Please, if there's anything, don't forget to comment, like, and also share